My name is Corey Frischewski. I'm the manufacturing process engineer for the back end or the panel processing area of Katerra's CLT Factory 2.0. So Katerra is a unique company in that we own several different types of factories. We own component factories and our CLT factory, which you can see behind me. So one of the things that separates our product from the rest of the industry is the biometric and geometric scanning that goes into our panels. We scan and capture data for every board that goes into our panels. So this increases our QA/QC process on a scale that's never seen in the industry before. So our facility is broken into three major portions. We have a sorting line where we have the ability to scan, test the strength, and also re-dry our lumber. After it's qualified, we run it through our CLT line, which is our lumber processing. So once qualified, this lumber is entered into our CLT line. From there, it's either finger jointed into our 60-foot long boards or ran through our shortboard line for our 10 or 12-foot boards. These meet together at our layup just before our press. Once those boards are laid up in a cross-laminated fashion, we press them for the allowed time and then spit them out into the back end of the factory for panel processing, which is the third area of the factory. Katerra, being a technology company, has really kind of shaken up the industry by increasing automation and the technology during their process. Down the road, I see some of the scanning technology that we would see on our sorting line implemented on our panel processing to rule out even more defects and kick out a better product out the door. So one of the major functions that the Uniteam Biesse CLT 400 offered for us was a dual spindle. And not only did that have triple the horsepower of some other current machines that we own, it's also helped us on, again, production time, saving on tool swaps, where we can manufacture or machine with one spindle while tool changing with the next. This increased horsepower is also seen in the software, so DDX Software. It's a simplified yet powerful software that makes it easy to onboard new programmers and component designers, but also get the operators up to speed quicker with the machines. Being the largest CLT factory in the world in terms of output and size of panel, our panel ranges from that 12 wide to 60 foot long, and in terms of output, we could produce up to 34 panels per day, which is around equivalent to 250,000 square foot office buildings. I would say that the experience with the service department on both Biesse and Uniteam sides has been outstanding. With every startup or machine install, there's always problems, and that's just the way it goes. And the response time from your manufacturer is what really shows that credibility and support from that company. And during startup, we had several issues that were addressed immediately, I would say within the hour. Not only is that machine, again, world-class in the production times, but also the support. A lot of times when you install new equipment, the support can kind of drop off immediately. And we've never seen that with Biesse or Uniteam. And I think as these machines continue to produce, we'll continue to see that support.